and I believe for those who have missed would have to come next year now, right?
Well, we do have our regular restaurant hours, so you can always try the food anytime, but we've been serving vegetarian food, vegan food, Jain food for over 40 years in Hong Kong.
Right. So that means कि आपने जो खाना है, जितना खाना है आप खाएं, लेकिन पे आपका जो दिल करता है आप करते हैं. Hello guys, this is Taha and you are watching Vlogs by MTS. Today is the 1st of October and 1st of October Hong Kong में National Day के तौर पे जो है वो मनाया जाता है. यहाँ पे फायरवर्क्स होंगे, ड्रोन शोज होंगे. सुनने में आया है कि डिफरेंट जगहों पे इवन जैसे अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो आपको ट्रैवल डिस्काउंट्स मिलेंगे और एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. हाउएवर आज का दिन स्पेशल इसलिए है क्योंकि मुझे पता ये लगा है कि एक ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट है हांगकॉन्ग में जो कि आपको ईट एज मच एज यू कैन एंड उसमें आपको पे जो है वो एज पर योर विल है. सो दैट मीन्स कि आपने जो खाना है, जितना खाना है आप खाएं, लेकिन पे आपका जो दिल करता है आप करते हैं. नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता. There is no threshold कि आपने इतना खाना है. There is no threshold कि आपने इतना पे करना है. So इस रेस्टोरेंट का नेम है Woodland Restaurant and this is a purely vegetarian restaurant. There is no threshold on it कि आपने क्या खाना है. There is no threshold on it कि आपने पे क्या करना है. जितना आपका दिल करता है आप पे करें. This is something unique जो कि पहले मैंने किसी जगह पे भी नहीं देखा है. सो अब चलते हैं और इसके अलावा मैं कोशिश ये करूँगा कि वहाँ के जो ऑनर हैं, जो मैनेजमेंट है, अगर उनसे भी मेरी बात हो सकती हो तो उनसे भी पूछा जाए कि हाउ दे आर प्रमोटिंग दिस और देखते हैं उनके इसके ऊपर ओपिनियन क्या है. सो लेट्स गो. हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ ताहा. यू आर वाचिंग Vlogs बाय MTS. आज हम वॉन चाई में एक रेस्टोरेंट है वुडलैंड्स, वहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. दिस इज़ द नेशनल डे ऑफ हांगकॉन्ग और यहाँ की स्पेशल चीज़ ये है कि आज यहाँ पे यू कैन ईट एज मच एज़ यू कैन एंड डोनेट एज मच एज़ यू कैन. देयर इज़ नो मिनिमम लिमिट कि अगर आप यहाँ पे कुछ खाना खाने आए हुए हैं तो उसकी कोई मिनिमम लिमिट होगी. आपका जो दिल कर रहा है आप खाएँ और आपने जिस हिसाब से और अपनी मर्ज़ी से जो भी आपने पे करना है आप करके जा सकते हैं. मेरे पास इस टाइम पे हारून साहब मौजूद है. हारून साहब इज़ बेसिकली मैनेजिंग दिस प्लेस और हम इनसे इंफॉर्मेशन लेंगे कि ये आइडिया किस तरह से आया और कैसा रिस्पांस इनको जो है वो मिला है. यहाँ के स्पेशली वो लोग जो हांगकॉन्गर्स हैं, इंडियंस हैं, पाकिस्तानी हैं, बांग्लादेशी हैं, जो भी हैं उनसे हम थोड़ी सी अपडेट लेते हैं. हेलो हारून साहब.
Hi, hello. How are you guys? So, वैसे भी एक्चुअली ये चैरिटी इवेंट जो है हांगकॉन्ग नेशनल डे के बाहर वी आर नॉट डूइंग दिस. इन फैक्ट दिस इज़ इन कमेमोरेशन ऑफ महात्मा गांधी's birthday, which is tomorrow, October 2nd. But tomorrow being a working day, so we push it to today. We have been doing this event. I mean, Woodlands has been doing this event since 1984. So, well over 30 years, in fact. But in between, we stopped it for like 10-15 years. So we restarted from 2019. So 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, which is actually the 6th year now. We are doing this. So basically, the event goes like we identified personally a very deserving NGO from Hong Kong, which is basically requiring support. Enough support that they could use. So we have this process from the August every year, and we try to identify, visit few NGOs and see what they do, and then finally select them. So this year we have chosen intellectually challenged kids. Hong Kong has a lot of intellectually challenged kids, include Chinese, Indians, Pakistanis, a lot of people there, and it is an NGO supporting their parents and also kind of supporting the kids as well. So So this year, every single dollar that we collect through cash, through online donations, will be donated to them. So we don't usually take a single dollar for this because all the cost will be covered by us. Food cost, manpower cost, everything we cover, and anything that we get today will be given out to them. So this is the simple concept. Eat as much as you can and pay as much as you wish. And we'll be doing this every year on the October 2nd. Eventually, if it happened to be a work day, so it'll be October 1st. And that's all.
Right. So, Arun Sahab, thank you so much for giving us all of this introduction. And I believe for those who have missed would have to come next year now, right?
Well, we do have our regular restaurant hours, so you can always try the food anytime. But if you really want to witness the charity event, yes, you do come our next event actually.
And this restaurant is purely vegetarian, right?
Yes, it is a vegetarian restaurant. It is the first vegetarian restaurant in Hong Kong, opened in 1981. We also have one in Macau, also the first one in Macau, vegetarian one. We've been serving vegetarian food, vegan food, Jain food for over 40 years in Hong Kong.
Right. So guys, this is with you Vlogs by MTS, Taha and Harun Sahab from Woodlands. अगर आप लोगों को ये एक cause अच्छी लगती है तो I would definitely recommend you guys to come here. आज का दिन तो obviously अब ख़त्म होने पे आ चुका है, but nevertheless you guys can come whenever you want and have the best vegetarian food in Hong Kong. Now moving forward मैं आप लोगों को एक छोटा सा quick round दूंगा और उस quick round के साथ साथ आप लोग देख सकते हैं what are they serving. Also, if you guys could tell us any specialty in the vegetarian food that you guys have here.
Well, our focus is mainly on the South Indian. Of course, if you guys want to have the best dosa in Hong Kong, please do come. We have the family dosa, which is a 4-feet dosa. Right. You guys can come and have it. And our thali is known for the best thali, and usually during the weekdays we have a lunch buffet as well,
right.
Which is $148 lunch buffet. So like the food what you get here is we cater to all sort of vegetarians, right. So especially even the Buddhist people will come here and eat here, which they don't eat onion and garlic, so any sort of vegetarian, any dietary restrictions can come and have food here.
So in short guys, if you are a vegetarian, you're looking for a vegetarian food in Hong Kong, I guess this is the best place which you should come, and I would definitely highly recommend it. From now onwards, I'm going to show you the restaurant, the eateries that we could have here, and thank you so much Arun Sahab for...
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. And now let's head to see what we have for the food here.